Let me ask you something. Are you an overthinker? I think it's safe to say yes. I do overthinking some point of time in my life when it is needed. We all are. At least at some point in life, we do overthink. I think that's normal. I think that overthinking is one of the worst thing that you can do to yourself. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जब आप कोई बड़ा फैसला करते हैं तो अपना मन चाहते हुए न चाहते हुए ओवरथिंक करता है, क्योंकि संकोच की भावना आती है कि ये करने से ऐसा होगा, ये डिसीजंस लेते हैं तो हमको ये चीज़ों का सामना करना पड़ेगा या फिर ये चीज़ों के बगैर हमको जीना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स हाउ वी टेंड टू ओवरथिंक. दैट्स नॉर्मल. To think twice before you do something, it is completely normal. But to constantly think about one same thing over and over again, मन में संकोच का बीज बोगे तो आपके जीवन में नकारात्मकता का आना निश्चिंत ही है. By overthinking, it's unlikely that you will ever make a big decisions in your life. You won't be able to take any decisions that will change it for the better. द बेटरमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. इसके बजाय आप लगातार चिंताओं के और फंसते चले जाएंगे या मन में संकोच आते जाएगा. जब भी कोई अवसर आपके जीवन में सामने आएगा तब ओवर थिंकिंग अ प्रॉब्लम विल कीप एनी प्रॉब्लम अ प्रॉब्लम विच विल कीप यू स्टक इनसाइड आउट. Overthinking a situation will make the situation worse. Overthinking anything prevents your creativity, your problem solving skills. सोच आपको चिंतित करती है और चिंता आपकी कल्पनाओं से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है जो एक नकारात्मक भविष्य की स्थिति बना रही है. Overthinking leads you to second guessing yourself and creates self-doubt. अधिक सोचने से क्रोध, ईर्ष्या, आक्रोश, भय, संदेह, अनिर्णय, भ्रम आदि की भावनाएं बढ़ जाती है. जैसे कि आप जो कुछ भी सोच रहे हैं वह वास्तविक जीवन में हो रहा है ऐसा आपको प्रतीत होगा. हाउ टू स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग? That's more important when you are overthinking. You should know. But before that, I want to say something here. Humans have a tendency to be choosy. You know, we all are aware of our nature. If you are overthinking, it's by your choice and it's not a big thing to deal with. It's to be repaired by you and yourself. Think about that. It's very easy. You have to start changing your ideas, the story which you are telling to the world. You have to be louder than your overthinking. You have to be committed to yourself. No more grumpiness. You have to leave your past because the overthinking always prefer to live in past. So you have to come into your present moment, present life. You have to start experiencing present moment. Think about today. No more negativity, no more yesterday, no more past negative thoughts, no more no to positive thoughts. Bring positive sense in your daily life. Overthinking to wise thinking, and you have to be specific about your thought and your approach towards any small thing, any damn thing. Learn to keep yourself busy in work. If you are working professionals, if you are studying, study well and be focused on your study and score more. If you are a home loving personal, change the look, change your house interior. If it is big or small, doesn't matter. It's average size house. No matter you don't have fancy things in your house, you can make your home more beautiful with whatever you have. Your thought, your sight, your eyesight, your vision, your thinking should be beautiful and not related to the fancy world. So no more overthinking. Just make your house beautiful with your liking things. So here it is very easy to stop overthinking. Guys, I believe that you must try coming out from your shitty overthinking things. Take care and do well. Thank you very much.